friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be cooking frozen sweet potato puffs in the air fryer. So let me open up a bag of frozen sweet potato puffs. So no need to defrost, we're cooking them straight from frozen. Let's take out the air fryer basket, and I will put sweet potato puffs in the air fryer basket. So now let's put the basket in the air fryer, and I will set the temperature to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and I will set the time to 15 minutes. Now halfway through cooking time, let's take out the air fryer basket, and let's shake the sweet potato puffs so they cook evenly on all sides, and put it back in the air fryer and let it finish cooking. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look at the sweet potato puffs. Look at that, so nicely browned and perfectly cooked. Let me take them out of the air fryer. So good. See, they're nice and crispy. And let me try it. I'm so excited. Let's try it. They're so crispy on the outside and perfectly cooked on the inside. You will love these sweet potato puffs in the air fryer. They taste amazing. For a free printable recipe and other easy air fryer recipes, please visit my website, MelanieCooks.com, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!